If you watch the video for number 5, then number 6 is pretty similar. So for the same reason, the square, this sine 8 theta square, this square is the troublemaker. We really want to reduce this power down to 1, and this half angle identity comes in. There's a typo here, it's not consistent, so let's make this as 8x instead of 8 theta. So applying the half angle identity here, it's going to be 1 minus cosine. According to this half angle identity, when this is theta, this is going to be 2 theta. We have to make it double it, so 16x in this case, dx. The denominator 1/2 is constant. Let's put it out, and then we are left with 1 minus cosine 16x dx. And we can use direct integration. The antiderivative of x is 1 is x, and the next one is 1 over 16 sine 16x. Plug in 0 and then pi over 4 here, and then we will have, when it's pi over 4 minus 1 over 16, sine of 16 times pi over 4, this becomes 4 pi, so sine of 4 pi is 0. When it is 0, 0 minus 1 over 16 sine 0, which is also the whole thing is 0. So at the end we have pi over 8. So that completes this question.